So this is a part-time hustle that I've been doing for quite some time now. Now, I haven't spent any money on this. This is completely free to do. I haven't spent a single money out of my own pocket to find success with this, and I've been doing this for about the past 3 days in total. On my screen over here is an entire funnel that I actually imported at the click of a button. All I did was use some free traffic to get through this funnel. It's called a tripwire funnel, where you've got a squeeze page, a video sales letter page, and a total of about 5 pages in this funnel that literally converts some traffic even into 2 to 3 sales per lead. This is a very powerful funnel that I'm going to show you how you can import at the click of a button with this amazing funnel builder tool that I've been using as a great alternative to ClickFunnels and Kartra. And it doesn't matter where you are, you can use this tool. In this video, I'm going to give you one of my biggest secrets to actually making money online. There's a lot of these people that show how to make money online by completing these surveys or pasting affiliate links on Facebook groups or stuff like that. But what they don't tell you is actually how to build a winning funnel and to actually get traffic to a funnel, to build an email list, to send out email promotions, to build a subscriber list, and to get affiliate commissions, and to build a real successful affiliate marketing business. So if you want more content like this, how to build successful online businesses, how to build successful drop servicing business, affiliate marketing businesses, YouTube channels, you name it. I also have my 6-figure drop servicing university. If you want to get an entire free training from me, make sure to go to the first link in the description. You'll see me on that page over there where you can get exclusive access into this drop servicing university and how you can get a free training from me. But without further ado, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want tons of more entrepreneurship content, make money online content. If you want to build a brand, get some motivation on this channel. I'm very passionate in sitting in my studio every day and providing highly valuable and educational content. But quickly, before I get into the strategy, I'm going to take a random comment from yesterday's video. So this person on the screen over here, if you're watching this video, you won $10 PayPal money. Congratulations to you. If you want to stand the chance to win $10 PayPal, all you need to do is leave a like on this video, subscribe down below with the bell on, and count how many times I said the word funnel in this video. And if you get it right in the comments down below, in tomorrow's video I will show the right comment of the person who got it right first, and you'll win your $10, whether it's Bitcoin or PayPal, depending on what's accepted in your country, straight to your account. So don't forget to watch this video through and count how many times I say the word funnel. Alright, so we're now inside of my PC, and I just quickly want to tell you guys an amazing secret that I actually learned from Gary Vee. The best way to build any kind of successful business is to use the strategy, what he calls the jab, jab, jab hook. That's what you call provide value, provide value, provide value, and eventually you'll get something back. That's all providing value for free, giving, 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 and then eventually you get something back. This is an amazing way to build a big business, to build a trust with your audience, and to build a relationship with your audience in today's world without seeming spammy, without seeming like a snake oil salesman or anything like that, and to actually build a really good, well-branded business. So in order to start off with this, we need to start off with that first jab. That's getting the first free thing or free product or whatever it is to give away for free. But this is the first step. Make sure to keep watching. So we're going to come over to this website over here. I'm going to reveal it just in a bit, so make sure to keep watching, because this website has over 12,000 free courses, free ebooks, and free resources where you can actually resell and keep 100% of the profits. So what we need to do is we need to come over to this website over here. You need to come over to the search bar and you need to just search the word keto. There's actually a total of 2 products that we're going to use for the jab jab in this strategy. So we need to click on search over here. It takes a couple of seconds to load. Over here you've got what you call the easy keto diet. So open this in a new tab. The next one that you want to open is the easy keto video upgrade as the second jab for giving away. So here you can see there's 2 download buttons over here. Just download this over here and download this over here, and it will download to your PC. So here you can see on my screen these 2 zip folders. The easy keto, which is this little ebook over here, is downloading at 65 megs, and the second easy keto video upgrade, which is the upgrade product on this original ebook, is now downloading at 185 megs. Once this is done, we want to save this on our PC like it's saving over here. And by the way, this website is called idplr.com, which is a PLR website where you can get over 12,000 products, that being softwares, video courses, free ebooks, templates, graphics, and music that you can use to download, resell, do what you want with, as this website gives you the license to do that. So definitely recommend come sign up an account on IDPLR and download the following products that I just showed you for the strategy to get a ton of ClickBank sales. Once these two products are downloaded to your PC, you want to come over to Builderall, which is an entire tool where you can get a done-for-you funnel builder, e-commerce builder, you can build chat builders, build your own webinar, e-learning platforms, an app builder, custom email, automation responders on email, a WhatsApp automation tool. It's an entire online business builder in a box to convert traffic into sales. So over here, you can see Builderall right now is going for, let me just go to the plans page quickly. But the thing is, I have a coupon for you guys, basically like a coupon where you can get a huge discount. So Builderall's cheapest package goes for $29 a month, the most expensive $99 a month. I have a coupon for you where you can actually get this off at just $1. Just $1 for your first month. So over here you can see you can start now for just $1. The only way you can claim that is if you click on the Builderall link in the description of this video. That coupon will automatically be applied and you'll be able to check out with Builderall for just $1. Once you're on your dashboard that looks like this, when you sign up with your Builderall account, I definitely recommend using a PC for this. Come over to the apps page over here, click on funnel builder over here. It's going to take you to a page that's busy loading up like this, and you will see over here, just giving this a few seconds, you can actually add your own funnel over here. So you're going to click on add funnel, you're going to type in keto, and you're going to choose the cookbook over here. There's a cook, let me just show you a cookbook funnel. Choose the cookbook funnel over here. So I've already done that, called my keto funnel over here. So I'm going to edit my created funnel over here, and you will see I can click on start the funnel over here. You want to click on blueprints over here. You want to click on sales process. You want to scroll down and you want to click on the tripwire funnel. Click on the plus sign, and once this is imported, it's going to look like this. So you've got your original squeeze page, which then opts in with a opt-in form where you collect your user's email and name, which is great, so you can use for affiliate marketing. From there, they're going to be sent over to your videos letter sales page where it actually sells the ebook. So this first page is going to sell an ebook. They check out with that, and then they're going to check out with that. They pay with PayPal or their card. And after they've checked out from that, it's going to take them to the next page called the one-time offer, which is then going to be the Keto Easy video upgrade. So a one-time offer page is basically like a bonus offer. All right, you bought this, but get this extra bonus for an extra just $15, 90% off, and you want to market that in their face and get them to buy this amazing bonus. That's going to be the video upgrade. Then once they check out with that, it's actually going to take them to the keto affiliate product. If I actually come over to the ClickBank marketplace over here, just type in, okay, I just need to relog in quickly. Here you can see the entire keto shortcut system, and you're going to get $31 commission on ClickBank. So what's the nice thing about this, you're not only making ClickBank sales, you are getting original PayPal and 100% markup sales on your Easy Keto ebook that you're now selling. You're getting another sale on your Easy Keto video upgrade, and you're getting now $31.86 in commissions on affiliate commission. So you actually have 3 streams of income coming in with this. So what you need to go and do is you need to go and click on generate website on the top right over here of your funnel, and I'm briefly going to show you how to design these pages. Once your site has been launched, you can see over here you can edit your squeeze page, your video sales letter page, and all the pages. Just click on edit page of the squeeze page over here. It will take it into the cheetah page builder over here, which is Builderall's page builder. Over here you can see your cookbook, your title, and your first name and email where you collect emails. So you just want to click on this picture, click on the pen, and over here included in your ebook that you've now downloaded, you can actually upload your own cover. So you just want to click on change image over here. We're going to change this to the cookbook of our keto book because obviously we want that to match our landing page. Just click on select file on the top over here. I'm going to come over to the folder where I've now saved this Easy Keto, which will be in the graphics folder. Just click on images over here. Once it's uploaded, select the ebook large over here and click on save, and take a look at this. This is actually looking really good. You can move it up a little bit if you want to, just to centralize it. For your title content, all you want to do is you want to go, for example, download your ebook. So let's just double click on this. You want to go, and all you want to do is you want to have your first name and your email set up. This will already be here. All you need to do is right click on it, click on the set list over here, and you will see it will pop up with a page like this. You just want to create a new list and you want to call it the keto diet. And then all you go and do is you come back to Builderall over here, you click on mailing boss autoresponder, and you can set up emails to send every single day. I recommend send an email to your email list once a day. If you want to get free emails, on this keto diet, just come back to the folder where you've downloaded your ebook, click on email swipes. You'll see here some free emails for you to use over here that you can import into Mailing Boss over here. So now that your landing page is done over here, just click on save, and you want to select on the drop down over here and now move on to your video sales letter. Click on save and exit over here. Over here on the next page, you can see it says here, take advantage of this one-time offer now, kind of like a one-time upsell offer on this video sales letter page. That's where we're going to use the easy keto video upgrade to get them to buy over here on this page where we're actually going to sell. So the ebook we give away for free, and because we're giving something away for free, that's free value. Of course, people are going to enter their email and they're going to say, okay, I really want to download this book. Then the funnel is automatically going to take them to this page where we can go and set up. So all you need to do is just come over to the keto video download over here, copy some of this information and literally put it onto your landing page. Over here is just replace some of these bullet points, replace this picture. For the video to add here, if you come into the keto video upgrade folder, just come over to videos and you can use this sample intro video over here. It gives you a whole intro on the keto diet program and the video upgrade, and it literally sells it for you. Once you've done that page, you just go click yes, I want it. You then move on to your checkout page. So just click on save and exit over here. And this is where you set up the checkout for your ebook. So you can go and charge, for example, let's say $15 for this video upgrade. All you do is you click on add over here, the super checkout option over here. So you just click on it over here, you drag the super checkout over here. Here you can see, you just click on super checkout and you can add your ebook as a product over here to sell on Builderall. So yeah, you can see people enter their name, their shipping, and then they pay for it over here through your PayPal. So all the instructions are on the super checkout. If you aren't sure how to set that up, you just click on knowledge base over here on the Cheetah website builder, and it will give you all the information you need to set up a checkout. It's very easy, very beginner friendly. I just recommend sit 5 to 10 minutes and work it out for yourself, as I recommend learning for yourself how to connect this checkout. You can then add this over here as is. Let's just make this a bit bigger. I think that's perfect. And there you can see your checkout's now ready. And then what you want to do is you just want to have this checkout page. It's going to come over to the one-time offer page. So you click on the one-time offer page over here, because now they've originally paid for your video upgrade. So if you already earned $15 off your first sale. So I'm going to click on one-time offer again, just click on save and exit. And here you want to set up your page again, but you want to have this button direct your traffic to this ClickBank affiliate link over here. So all you do is you click on promote over here. Take a look at this. You just click on generate hyperlinks. Over here is your unique affiliate link. So you're going to select this button over here, this button over here to your ClickBank affiliate link. So this is what the landing page looks like over here. It's another done for you landing page where they can check out with the third product, and now you're making ClickBank affiliate sales as well. So now not only have you made $15 off your keto video upgrade, you're also making now $31 every ClickBank commission sale that you get through this funnel. So obviously from here, all you need to do is you need to get traffic. So I've actually got for you guys an entire free traffic and paid traffic course that will list all the best free traffic methods, all the best paid traffic methods, and how you can get started with each to get a ton of sales and traffic. So if you want this course, it's completely free. I'm not charging for it. All you need to do is comment on this video your favorite quote, or rather say that I'm ready for that course. Make it those words, I'm ready for that course. Leave a like, make sure you're subscribed. I'll reply to your comment as well with the download link to that course. So make sure to comment down below how many times I said the word funnel to win your $10, and just to recap, make sure to comment down below, I'm ready for that course, and I'll reply to your comment with the link to that course. But also don't forget to grab your free training on that first link in the description on the Drop Servicing University, which is an entire 57-minute program that can teach you how I went from 0 to 6K a month in my first month selling rare high income skills without actually doing that work myself. So without further ado, make sure to grab that free training, and I'll see you on the other side.